Why does the mind obey? I obey the laws of the country. I obey keeping to the left side of the road or right side of the road. I obey what the doctor tells me. But politically, in a so-called democratic world, they won't accept a tyranny. No authority, freedom. But spiritually, inwardly, they accept every Tom, Dick and Harry, especially when they come from India. The other day, I turned on with London BBC, and there was a man interviewing a certain group of people. And the boy and the girl said, "We obey entirely what our guru said." And the interviewer said, "Will he tell you to marry? If he tells me, I'll marry. If he tells me I must stop, I will stop." Just a slave, you understand? This very same person would object to political tyranny. There, he will accept the tyranny of a pretty little guru with his fanciful ideas, and he will reject politically a tyranny or a dictatorship. Why does the mind divide life into accepting authority in one way, in one direction, and deny it in another? What is the importance of authority?